to the Go to Zen Project. This is week 2. This week's episode, it is entitled Throwback Thursday. We will be revising a throwback video from about 3 years ago as I was speaking about my fitness journey. Before we dive into this week's episode, let's go over our tip of the week.
Right now I'm walking. This is your sign to start walking. Walking has many benefits. Right now I'm walking on off there on the track and also on the gym, but I want to stay active. So this is like an active recovery type of day. So I decided to walk, brisk walk. This will only last me about 15 minutes, but you can do more or less based on your comfort level and your weight capacity. There are so many benefits to walking. To start, it will help you lose weight if that is a goal and a fitness plan for yourself. It will also help lower blood pressure, which can help with type 2 diabetes, so that will help reduce those chances. Another benefit, it will help improve your joint health as well, so it would help bring those fluid that needs to lubricate the joints to those parts of the body. So this is your sign to start walking, and let's go.
I hope you find that video to be a gem to your playlist or saved video list on YouTube. Fittingly enough, as you can see, I'm out here walking in nature. It is a off day again for me, and so it matches the tip of the week quite well, I would say. Let's now transition to our theme of this week. It is entitled Throwback Thursday. Let's dive into the video.
Hello everyone, my name is Roosevelt Augustave, and I want to invite you into this journey with me, my testimony, my life today. As you all may know, some of you, that I used to run track in high school. I have over 5 years of experience in the track as an athlete, a dual sport athlete in high school, 3-sport athlete in middle school. Over the years, I have stopped running track since 8 years now, but as I'm reading the Bible, as a Christian, reading the Bible, you've seen the life of Daniel, him eating a plant-based diet and having more wisdom and understanding, being in better health than those in Babylon. He was following some principles of health. And as I'm reading the Bible as a Christian, I'm saying, okay, I'm eating a plant-based diet, I'm eating healthy. I may possibly be able to obtain this physical strength that these Bible characters had as well. So I stepped foot on the track after 8 years of, never stepped on the track since 8 years. In March, I stepped foot on the track, and I'm training, 2 months into training. Doors opened up where I was able to run my first meet. I did horrible, and I thought I was doing good. However, it was not good at all. You know, you're running by yourself, you're doing the training, you're working hard, yet you step foot, no result. Fast forward 4 months of training, I'm improving, I'm getting better, getting faster, getting stronger. My wins start coming back under me, and I'm starting to see the progress because I was following certain principles into obtaining this physical strength. Daniel, he only needed 10 days because he had a foundation growing up in Israel. They had different things that they did to stay in health, to stay in shape. You look at Moses, God gave him 2 tables of stone, those 10 commandments. He had to walk down a mountain with them. Can you imagine how physical fit Moses was? It even goes to say, towards the end of his life, 120 years old, his eyes was not dim, nor his natural force abated from him. Moses kept his health from a youth all the way up. Look at many Bible characters, Jacob, look at Job. He was going through so many things, but he not only kept his faith in God, but he kept the principles of health in check as well, where he was able to keep faith. And so I want to invite you into this journey with me, because a lot of times many of us have a wrong concept of health, and it's not just about eating, it's about having those physical exercises as well. And God wants us not only to be spiritually healthy, but physically healthy as well, mentally healthy. And so come into the track with me as we go into this journey of health and fitness. This is just an introductory video to this introduction to this journey. As you continue to follow, we're going to see more of the workout that I'm doing to stay in shape, to get in shape, and to maintain shape. I invite you to this journey. Stay tuned. Rose Gold out.
The journey continues. This journey of health and wellness, it continues in the Gold Season Project. This is why we are looking into this Throwback Thursday, so that we can be caught up into pace. There was never a stop. It's just now you are seeing these daily videos, these YouTube shorts, these reels, these weekly YouTube videos. I am now producing them in the Gold Season Project in celebration of my golden birthday. However, from 3 years ago until now, that journey remains. The sun is setting. It is a sight to behold. And I hope to see you on next week's episode of the Gold Season Project. This is your sign to start walking. Rose Gold out.